If your mouth feels like it's on fire, you're gonna love the cooling magic of the toothache plant. This amazing plant, also known as Acmella, oleracea, or electric daisy, can make your mouth go numb. Just chew the flower and feel the numbing sensation kick in. It's like nature's own anesthetic. It's perfect for soothing toothaches, sore throats, and mouth ulcers. This plant is a natural remedy you can grow in your garden. But wait, there's more. The leaves and flowers are edible and add a unique zing to salads and dishes. The secret ingredient? Spilanthol. It not only causes that fun numbing effect, but also fights bacteria and boosts saliva production. So you get a health boost and a wild culinary experience in one. Would you try it? Subscribe for more cool plant facts.